Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a try on haul, as you can see from the title. So the items that I got today are from an app called Temu. They sell everything you think of: clothes, wigs, shoes, everything that you can think of. Temu sells, and it's very affordable. So it's actually really cheap. It's surprising how cheap these items are. So they were kind enough to send me some goodies to try on and show you guys. If I have a coupon code, I'll leave it down below along with all the items in case you guys are interested in purchasing anything from Temu. Everything that Temu sends comes in this. Everything comes individually packaged like this, you guys. Super cute. You already know. Almost every company is doing this now, and I think it's smart. You can reuse these for clothes storage. You can reuse it for packing to go on a trip. You can reuse this for anything. So every item did come individually packaged in this slip, but I wanted to take everything out and put it right here just so I could see better. So we're gonna go ahead and hop into today's video. All right, y'all, so the first outfit that they sent me is this super cute pajama set that I'm wearing. It is so cute. It looks like Victoria's Secret. As y'all can see when I get up close, it's satin-like, pink, white, and black. It is absolutely beautiful. It is absolutely gorgeous, as y'all can see. And I did get this in a size large. I want y'all to be able to see the whole thing. I did get this in a size large, and it's comfortable. And also the shorts do come with a drawstring. So if you are bigger than a large girl, you can go ahead and size up. It's very stretchy. And this is very great material, y'all. It's giving me very, well, I keep saying very. It's giving me satin, y'all. So I love this outfit. Really cute, comfortable to sleep in, but still look good for your man. It's giving what it needs to give, okay? So the next outfit, you guys, is this green, very casual two-piece set. Y'all know I love a two-piece set, as you can see right now. All right, so just super cute, green. And yeah, it's just a crop top with some shorts. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on for y'all. All right, you guys, this is the second outfit, y'all. I don't know what size this is, but this is real tight. I don't know if this is a large or a medium, but this is so cute. It's giving very much hoochie mama. Can y'all see? Yeah, y'all can see the whole outfit. Yeah, you guys, so this is so cute, comfortable, very cheap, and it fits me really good. Y'all, it fits really good. Just super cute, just a casual outfit. I like it. Y'all like it? Let me show y'all the back. This is how the back look. Yeah, so this is the second outfit they sent me. So cute. Next is this white bodycon dress. Now, if y'all see my last haul, y'all know that I like items that look like, you know, like it has a body print on it. And this is giving body. So as y'all can see, it's just a white summer dress with an outline of a body. Of course, y'all know this is the breast, and it goes down into the hips. And then the back is the same thing, and it does have like an actual booty, like a silhouette of a booty. So this is real cute. I think I got this in a large. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this on for y'all. So this is the next outfit. This is so cute. Oh my god, y'all, look at it. What do y'all think? Comment down below if you like this outfit on me. What would y'all rate this? This is so cute. I would say my favorite part about this outfit is that it is very stretchy. It's so stretchy. So that's good, because I got this in a lot of the items I got in a large, but a lot of the items on Temu sells out so quick that, like, if you see something, you gotta hurry up and go get it, because it sells out like in a matter of seconds. So yeah, this is the outfit. It's so cute. I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, y'all can see it stops right after my knee. Yeah, not too long, not too short. I might wear this today. I don't know. But it's real comfortable, real cute. So, next item, which is my favorite item in today's haul, you guys, is this satin two-piece. Y'all, just so cute. White and black. And then it comes with matching short set. Now, I'm not going to front. I kind of do want to wear this. I do want to wear this tonight. Well, today. I'm going to this day party in Austin, so I think actually I'm going to wear this with the shorts. So I'm going to try this on last, just so when I try it on, I could already be ready and out the door, because people are waiting on me right now. So this will be last. Yesterday, you guys, I went ahead and I wore my nude Balenciagas for the first time. I wore my nude Balenciagas, black leggings, a super cute black sweater, And then I wore this over it. And this really just completed the look. I've seen these little puffer vest jackets all over Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and I really, really love them. So I went ahead and got me the nude color to match my Balenciagas. Hold on, let me show y'all. I specifically picked out this just so it can go with my Balenciagas, y'all. So it's real cute, real comfortable. I'll try it on for you guys with this dress on, but I mean, I would never wear this together. So this is just cute because it's been kind of cold. It's been kind of cold in Texas, so you know. I know y'all don't see the vision, but I still gotta try it on. So this is how it fits. So cute. Oh, with the tattoo showing. Mad cute. Just a tan puffer jacket. Now I want this in every single color, y'all. Every single color. And then it's cropped as well, so it could show like the body, yada yada. So this was real cute. I'll insert a clip of me wearing it. So next they sent me these large jeans. Unfortunately, y'all, these jeans do not fit me. So I really wanted them to fit because I wanted to wear these jeans over like my Balenciaga boots and like a white bag, like something real cute. I had a vision for this, but it doesn't, unfortunately it doesn't fit me. So it's just a blue wide leg jean with some cargo pockets on it. The quality is absolutely amazing. Let me come closer so y'all can see. The quality is amazing, you guys. Just amazing. But yeah, so I don't know. It doesn't want to fit me. Besides it not fitting, you guys, these are some great quality jeans. They're just very tight. So try to size up as much. I would say size up 2 sizes on your jeans. So if you normally wear, yeah, this is a large, you guys. And it doesn't fit me. So yeah, this is a large. But just try to size up, you guys. Their jeans are good quality, but it's real tight around the waist. So next, you guys, I went ahead and picked out this super cute. This is cute for the summer. This short bodycon dress in like a peach and pink checker, as y'all can see. So cute. And this should be, yeah, this is a size large. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on for y'all. All right, y'all. So this is the dress. This is how the dress looks on me, you guys. This is so cute. This with like a Barbie ponytail, sickening. This is so cute, mad comfortable, fits good. It's not too, cause y'all know my booty big. Usually dresses fit like real short, but this actually stops at a good spot. This is so cute. Not too tight around the midsection, cause y'all know I done gained weight. So yeah, this is super cute. What do y'all think about this dress? Comment down below. If you have a gut, you guys, it is gonna show. As y'all can see my pudge. This ain't one of them dresses that's gonna hide your pudge, okay? So yeah, this is cute, great quality, y'all. Very stretchy. As I told y'all, a lot of their items are stretchy. So this is mad cute. Yeah. So next is my second favorite outfit. Girl, this outfit right here. Stop playing with me. This is a Bodycon maxi dress, y'all. And as y'all can see, it's a body. Like literally a naked woman. So it's just so cute and it's very long. And then this is the back. Absolutely love this. So I'm going to go ahead and try this on for y'all. Y'all can't tell me this is not beautiful. Y'all cannot tell me this dress was not made for my body. This is gorgeous, y'all. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And it's super comfortable. And it fits my curves right, y'all. And it don't make your belly look big. So, you know, a lot of dresses make your belly look big. This actually probably will hide your gut. So, I love this. And I will pair it with my new gray bag. Pair it with my gray new Givenchy bag. Y'all don't know about this bag yet, but this is how I would wear it. So cute. Yeah, so this is my second favorite. I'm either going to wear this today or the 2-piece. I'm not sure yet. Or I might just pack this and pack it to this. I don't know yet. But this is my second favorite outfit. It's so cute. Definitely my fave. All right, y'all. So next they sent me this cute shirt, and it did have a matching skirt, but they didn't have the skirt in my size. But this is so cute, y'all. It just says, have a good time, relax, Hawaii, best wishes for you. So if the pants would have fit me, I would have wore this with the pants, but the pants didn't fit me, so whatever. But yeah, this is so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on for y'all. Along with the clothes, they also sent me some goodies, you guys. They sent me these shark slides, but unfortunately these don't fit me. They are way too big. This is a size 42 to 43, and I am a size European 40. Yeah, these don't fit, unfortunately. So, but they're just some pink shark slides. They are in the same shape as Yeezys. If you guys, you know what I'm saying, want Yeezys but can't afford them, these would be some cute house shoes. But I mean, I can't fit them. So next, they sent me. Let me pull this up. Next, they sent me some goodies. These super cute glasses. Ooh, Temu girl. Yep, just some cute pink frames. Ooh, and you can see this. I might wear these. This is so pretty, y'all. So pretty. So just some cute pink frames, and then the sides are gold. So yeah, real pretty. Then they also sent me all these gorgeous hairpins. Just some gorgeous pins for my hair. They also sent me a black version of that. So the same thing, but in black. These are real cute. As y'all can see, just real cute. Sent me some jewelry organizers for behind my door. I'm assuming for behind my door. Yeah, so these are just jewelry organizers. You put your jewelry in them and then you hang them. So I got a black one. And then I also got a pink one. Because y'all know I got a lot of jewelry. So yeah, this is so cute. A pink one and a black one for behind my door. So this will be good for me to finally organize my jewelry. Then you guys, they actually sent me a bag. They sent me a Marc Jacobs dupe. You guys, this is the tote bag. If you guys never seen this bag before, it's Marc Jacobs. They make the bag. So it's real cute. And it comes with a long strap. And then, ooh, on the inside has like pockets. A lot of pockets. Y'all can't see, so this is super cute. My little tote bag. But yeah, you guys, so this bag is so cute, and it is great quality, heavy duty, y'all. This ain't no flimsy bag, okay? So this is the top that they sent me that I showed y'all. This is the shirt. Too cute. Just a basic cropped tee. I'm pretty sure y'all know what a white cropped tee look like, but it's real cute. Then it has a curved neck. I wish it was a v-neck and you could put it down to see the titties, but it's all right. But yeah, real cute. Perfect for the summer. And I just paired it with these shorts because I don't got nothing else to pair it with. So last but not least, my favorite outfit. Definitely gonna pack this for tonight. 100%. Let me show y'all how I'm wearing it. Okay, you guys, so this is the last outfit, which is my favorite outfit, y'all. So so cute. It feels so expensive, y'all. Just a satin two-piece, and it is a button down. I did tie it up, and then it comes with these gorgeous shorts. Let me zoom out for y'all. So y'all see? Too cute. It's giving very much bad bitch. All you need is some cute heels with a black Chanel or like a beautiful black bag. Like, this is so cute. I am actually gonna go ahead and wear this to my day party, which I'm going to right after I finish with this video. So yeah, these are the outfits that Temu was kind enough to send me. Thank you so much, Temu, for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are interested in getting any of the items that I showed y'all, check the link down below. Also, if I have a coupon code, I will leave everything linked down below as well. Which outfit was you guys' fave? Go ahead and leave a comment. Yeah, and then I guess I could do a giveaway because half of the items don't even fit me, so I don't know. But yeah, you guys, so that is it for today's video, today's try on haul. Thank you so much, Temu, again, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video.